Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial, part 1 overview, chapter 1 introduction, what operating systems really do. So we can now start the tutorial and speak on the operating systems with a diagram which we will be drawing after I explain and discuss by looking at the operating system's role in the overall computer system. A computer system can be divided roughly into 4 components, which is or are hardware, the OS, application programs, and the users. So we can then turn our attention to a diagram by taking the hardware, the OS, application programs, and users, and construct a diagram on screen that you are looking at now. Computer hardware, operating system, system and application programs, and then user 1, 2, 3, and I'll just say user on the right hand side so you know 1, 2, 3, a couple of dots here. This goes on forever. And so the hardware, the CPU, the memory, and the I/O devices provide the basic computing resources for the system itself. The application programs such as processors, spreadsheets, compilers, and web browsers define the ways in which these resources are used to solve users' computing problems. The OS, the operating system, controls the hardware and coordinates its use amongst the various application programs for the users on top. And so we can also view a computer system as consisting of hardware, software, and data. The OS provides the means for proper use of these resources in the operation of the computer system. An OS is similar to a government. Like a government, it performs no useful function by itself. It simply provides an environment within which other programs can do the useful work. To understand this in greater detail, we need to explore the OS from two viewpoints, that of the user and the OS. So we would look at the user view and the system view. The user view of the computer varies according to the interface being used. Most computer users sit in front of the computer, consisting of a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and system unit, which is designed for one user to monopolize the resources. And the goal is to maximize the work the user is performing. In terms of the system view, the computer's point of view, the OS is the program mostly involved with the hardware. In this context, we can view an OS as a resource allocator. The computer system has many resources that may be required to solve the problem: CPU time, memory space, file storage, I/O devices, and so on, the OS acts as the manager for these resources, facing numerous and possibilities or possibly conflicting requests for resources. The OS must then decide how to allocate them to a specific program and use that to operate the computer system efficiently and fairly. So, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial video. Thanks for now.